Thank you so much for staying with us on Primetime News. Now, earlier we were telling you that in Mandeville, the police are still searching for persons who killed 50-year-old Jerome Williams at Downs in the parish. Initial reports suggest that Mr. Williams was at a shop in the area when gunmen dressed in black fired at him several times. The police were summoned and Mr. Williams was pronounced dead. His mother is devastated.
Last night, and while I was here last night, I saw a car come in and a speed, and I hear my granddaughter bawl out, "Nuff, nuff, nuff, nuff," dead and shoot nuff, nuff out the road. I ran to the gate. When I reached the gate, I could not stand up. Two persons pulled me up by my hand, and I went up by the scene. When I went up by the scene and see nuff, nuff down on his back, I couldn't believe that it's really nuff, nuff.
Delroy Banton is the owner of the shop where Mr. Williams was killed. He explained what happened.
When I park right in front of the shop, I go and put up my key for go to my house, carry my baby mother, and the baby go by the house. When I go, I see enough if I come from my garage, I call ultimate Danny, Slider, that's what him call me most, Slider. Send me something there. When I go on the back, take up the key, see me selling up something here, blow. When we end up coming out of the shop, we find out enough of get shot, we find enough of dirt.